This is the Okpro 3000W light, 300 square foot. We're going to show you what it's about. This is Okpro. It's a 3000W mini street light. It is compact in size. It measures 16 plus inches in length. Bar and all to a 4-inch pipe is 30 inches, 9 inches across, and 2 inches in depth. It has 2 sensor modes. 0% off to 100% on motion detection, and 30% brightness dim level to 100% level of detecting motion. You're given tools to loosen up the bolts. Can be hung on a wall or a pole. From 1 1/4 to 4-inch poles or directly on the wall. You're given anchor supports, 4 pole bracket mounts, an open-end wrench, and additional hardware. With the remote control that takes 2 optional AAA batteries. To test the unit out is place on a table, turn the on and off switch, and hit the on and off buttons. 3 rows of lighting by 4 rows of lighting to add up to 16 LED lighting areas. 1,536 LEDs with the 240-degree angle, 6,500 Kelvin. We're going to show you the Okpro installed and how to hang up. You have an area that collects sun all day, 6 to 8 hours for quick charging with hours on end of use, all weather. This unit is IP rated. Let's go show you how to hang. Loosen the 2 bolts, slide the pipe through, have the bracket facing the correct way, and tighten down with the open-end wrench. Panel to the sun facing up. Turn on your light, but allow to charge for at least 6 to 8 hours in full direct sun. Then turn the light on and you're ready to shoot. As we're charging with the red LED indicator, the on and off button. For apartments, houses, backyards, buildings, 8 to 15 feet, with the radius of the remote control of up to 28 feet of range. You're able to set the mode and sensor of your lighting, and we'll come back in the evening hours. With the remote control, you're manually able to turn your light on and set up the mode. We're shutting the light off by hitting reset and off. From below, point to the light to trigger. From dusk to dawn, we'll show you what the light looks like. The Okpro 3000W street light turns on. We have a brightness level that we could dim down, brighten up, and set. After so many seconds, the light will shut off and go 100% on one of the motion modes. And we'll let that set up. As the light dims down, 30%, as we walk towards the light, it triggers. We have the next one, mode number 2, as we'll trigger. Mode number 2 would dim down after a minute to off, on 100%. As the light dims down to the off position, as we walk towards the light, it would trigger on to 100% when it detects motion. These are the modes. Mode 1, 30% to 100% with motion detection, 0% to 100% motion detection, and manual on 100% and 50%. If the light wants to be turned off, turn off and on for the next day with the reset. If you're looking for the Okpro 3000W IP66 rated 300 square feet remote control dusk to dawn light, this outdoor light may be something that you are looking for.